Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In the last couple of videos, I think I've brought you guys like the power station. And luckily right now they have these solar panels that you guys can buy and use it to charge the power stations. Okay, the name of this brand is ACOPOWER, 100 watts, 12 volts, monocrystalline solar panel module with connector. Okay, so they have regular price of this one is $107, and with the 20% off come out to be $85.99. And then currently there's a $20 coupons to it, so you can click on that and bring it down to about $65 something. And they also have the $200 200 watts version as well, I think for about maybe $130 around there. So I think this is good. As far as the review wise, it's a 4.5 out of 5, which is excellent. And here, durability. I don't have this brand. I bought a Renogy one, $100, 100 watts. I think for $90, I believe. And it's great to charge my little the Apex power station and my GoLab power stations. Okay, so this one would be pretty good. Okay, so if you guys wanted to for camping or go anywhere, okay, or you can use this and buy charge controller, batteries and power, the inverter, all kind of stuff. Okay, but if you just need one for the power stations, one would be fairly good enough. And this is the dimension or the product descriptions. You have the brand is ACOPOWER, material is aluminum, and the dimension is 40.2 by 20.1 and by 1.4 inches, and it weighs about 12.79 pounds. And here you have more descriptions. And as far as customers ratings, lightweight 5.0, easy to install 4.7, durability 4.7, and value for the money. Usually this runs about $99 per panel, and this one you get it for $65. That's pretty decent. That's pretty good as far as I can say. Here's some of the accessories that you might be able to want to consider if you're running this in parallel. Then you need this the Y MC4 connectors or adapters, and then these are some of the brackets that you might want to mount it on a stationary, like either patio, on a frame, or wherever you want. Okay. And they do have many different others panel as well as different brands. They do have portable ones. This one here you can fold it and take it with you, but as you can see the price is way too expensive. There we go. Some more pictures. And this is the specification for this one. 100 watts, VOC 22 volts, VNP 17.48 volts, and again 7.48 short circuits, ISC 6.14 amp, and IMP 6.4. There you go. That's junction box, MC4 connector, waterproof. There's many different things that you can use it with. That's pretty much for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.